Prince.
Hello.
What's that?
It's the car.
Wow, you have a new car.
Yeah, this is like it off.
Like that?
Huh?
Okay, you're going to unbox your car. Okay, you start to unbox your car.
This already good.
Where? Oh, good design.
Now it's done open.
Open now your car. Wow. Wow, it's a remote control car. Yeah. This is the remote control. This one. So we have to remove first the.
This
one. Okay. Yeah, you remove this one.
I got it.
Okay, the other one.
I got it.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, very nice car.
Now.
You have to provide a battery for that. So you need battery. Very nice car. Wait. Yeah. You need battery also. There. Before it starts. Wow. What? We need battery. We need to buy battery first. So you like that car? You like that car? So that's the problem. We don't have battery. So tomorrow we're going to buy the battery. Okay?
Buksan namin to.
Alright. Yeah. Nice car. You close the door.
I can't, look.
You can close it. Like that. Wait. Yeah. Okay, we need to buy batteries for the remote so that it will move. Okay? Oh, you like your cars? You like that? Okay.